This is 10 kilowatt 300 rpm 415 voltage 3 phase. rpm 297 rpm. Okay, it is coupled with a induction motor. It is having a drive for 303 rpm. Okay, so right now we can see 3 phase RYB. Phase to neutral is 270 and phase to phase कितना? Okay, phase to neutral. Okay, 270 voltage. So right now it is connected with the load of ionized water. So right now it is on loading condition. It's having ampere of 14 ampere per phase. This is on per phase ampere. Okay. So right now we'll be seeing the voltage. Okay. So voltage is around voltage. Voltage is around 223 voltage. Okay, this is phase to neutral. Okay, so around 20 voltage has been dropped because it is on loading condition right now. Okay, as you can see, it is a 10 kilowatt. Okay, thank you.